Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty.
Midnight, you come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive, could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview, oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you. And I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go round and round each time. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
And I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out of style, we never go out of style. You got that long hair slit.
Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
Daydream, look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time, 'cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that daydream, look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like, and then we go crashing down. We come back every time, 'cause we never go out of style. We never go out of style. Hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and I got that good brown fade and a It's no time to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all in your dreams, like duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, have you work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I have to work. It's me, I have to work. It's me, do me,
you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over.
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
It's me, I have to work. You see me do my Tell me about that Nobody touch me in the race. Nobody touch me in a crisis. Nobody touch me in a race. Nobody touch me in a crisis. Nobody touch me in a race. Nobody touch me in a crisis. Nobody touch me in a race. Nobody touch me in a crisis. Work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirty. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touch me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all in your dreams, like duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today.
You see me have you work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do.
Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I have to work. It's me, I have to work. It's me, do me, Tell me about that
you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
Now, cure your press on nails for 30 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Nobody touch me in a crisis. Nobody touch me in a race. Nobody touch me in a crisis. Nobody touch me in a race. Nobody touch me in a crisis.
Apply a second layer of gel polish.
You lied to me, told me you would never leave. words that you say that you know you really do mean, all in my head, telling me what I wanna hear. Wish I could take it all back. Just give me back my feelings. 'Cause boy, you wasn't faithful. How could you be so cold? Lie right to my face, oh yeah. How could you do that? Boy, you did me bad, bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back and walk out on me? I gave you everything, yeah. Decisions you made, did you ever think of me?
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
How could I have?
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. We are going to be using nail foils for our simple nail art design.
'Cause boy, you wasn't faithful. How could you be so cold?
Now, apply a thin layer of foil transfer.
Yeah, how could you do that? Boy, you did me bad, bad. Gave you all I had. How could you turn your back and walk out on me? I gave you everything, yeah. Boy, you did me bad, bad.
Now, cure your press on nails for 30 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Walk out on me, I gave you everything, yeah.
Did I see?
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks. one video at home. Saving money with my self-care nail day. And now I'm finished with my simple and easy nail art design. Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby. And nothing is better than gold, and I know. If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl. Don't make it test me, impress me. My cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? Come together.
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary, nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.